Hello guys, welcome to the TechDayEveryday channel. Today I want to show you my test and comparison of three 6S LiPo batteries. My favorite one is the Pizza pack from CNHL. I want to see how it performs compared to the other two batteries. The CNHL Black Series V2 and the Tattu R-Line V4. I'm going to compare the batteries in a few categories, give points in each one and pick a winner. Let's start by checking the battery specs. First, we will look at the theoretical capacity and discharge rate. Each battery can get from 1 to 3 points. When it comes to the capacity, the Black Series and the R-Line both have 1300 milliamps, so they get 2 points each. The Pizza gets 3 points. It's the same situation with the C-rate. The lightest battery is the R-Line, the heaviest one is the Pizza. In terms of size, the Pizza is definitely the biggest, and the other two are almost identical. Okay, time to go outside and check the real-world performance. I will test the maximum speed my FPV drone can reach with each battery. I will also check how much current each battery can deliver under full load. We will compare the voltage seg as well. After that I will test the flight time with the throttle locked at 40%. Let's start with the Tattu R-Line V4. Here is the top speed I managed to get. Next up is the CNHL Black Series V2. Here is the result. And finally the Pizza pack, my personal favorite. I think it will give me the highest speed despite being the heaviest. Here is the result. As you can see, the battery didn't disappoint. I got the highest speed, the highest current and the lowest seg. Let's fill in the table with the results. Time for the last test. Flight time at a constant 40% throttle. As you can see, the Pizza wins again, and the bigger capacity really makes a difference. Here are the final results. The Pizza gets 21 points and takes the first place. Second place go to the CNHL Black Series V2. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed my tests. If you did, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.